Hey guys, it's me. Today we're going to talk about wolves. There are many different types of wolves that live all around the world. They can be found in both the Old World and the New World. Red wolves are found in eastern and south-central United States. This means that the Ethiopian wolf is endemic to Ethiopia. Arctic wolves live in the Arctic. They are well adapted to survive in cold climates. Arctic wolves have thick white fur. This helps keep them warm. They also have small ears and tails. This reduces the amount of skin they have, which saves them energy. Arctic wolves have big paws. This helps them walk on the snow. Their paws act like snowshoes. They are great swimmers and can easily pull themselves along through the water. Arctic wolves are around 80 to 175 pounds. They are about 5 feet long. Arctic wolves can live for 4 to 6 years in the wild. In captivity, they can live for 13 to 18 years. Arctic wolves are apex predators, which means they sit at the top of the food chain. They hunt animals such as lemmings, hares, caribou, muskox, and seals. If there is no food available, they will starve. One of the biggest threats to the Arctic wolf is starvation. Sometimes there simply aren't enough animals to eat. When this happens, the wolves must move to find food. Arctic wolves often travel alone, but sometimes they will hunt in packs. Arctic wolves are very loud. They make howls that can be heard for miles. They use howls to communicate with each other. They also use them to mark their territory. Howling is also a way for wolves to attract mates. The Ethiopian wolf is also known as the simian fox. People call it a fox because it looks more like a fox than a wolf. The Ethiopian wolf is one of the rarest mammals in Africa. There are only about 440 to 550 Ethiopian wolves left. The Ethiopian wolf is around 30 inches long. Its tail makes up half of its body length. It weighs between 22 and 33 pounds. They have bushy tails, large ears, and narrow faces. Ethiopian wolves come in 2 colors. Some are dark gray and others are reddish-brown. They have white bellies and legs. They also have pale pink noses and tongues. Ethiopian wolves have short fur. This is unusual for wolves. Most wolves have thick, long fur, but not the Ethiopian wolf. The short fur probably helps them keep cool. The Ethiopian highlands where they live can get very hot. Ethiopian wolves live at high elevations. They prefer rocky areas and open grasslands. Like most wolves, Ethiopian wolves are carnivorous, but they do eat berries and other fruits. Small rodents make up most of their diet. They also eat other small animals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Ethiopian wolves are active during the day. They sleep at night. They are very good at climbing and can leap large distances. They are excellent parents and will do anything to protect their young. They are also monogamous. This means they have one mate for life, although they are very rare. The Ethiopian wolf is not endangered. This is because conservationists are working hard to protect them. They work with farmers to help them protect their livestock from predators. They also help the wolves find new homes. They move wolves from areas where there aren't many wild animals to areas with lots of prey. This helps increase their numbers. Red wolves usually live in flat, open areas such as swamps, river valleys and plains. Red wolves are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. They spend their days resting and sleeping. At night they go out to hunt. Like other wolves, red wolves hunt in packs. Packs are made up of parents and their young. Most packs have 5 to 7 members. Red wolves are endangered, meaning there are very few of them left in the world. There are only an estimated 100 to 300 red wolves left in the wild. Red wolves are smaller than grey wolves. They are around 40 to 60 pounds and stand about 24 inches tall at the shoulder. The name red wolf can be a little confusing. Red wolves are not actually red. Instead, they are tan to grey. But when they run, their fur looks red in the sunlight. The red wolf has a bushy tail that is about 15 inches long. They have pointed ears and a straight back. They also have strong legs and feet that help them run fast. Red wolves can reach speeds of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Their paws are not fully webbed like a dog, but they are somewhat webbed, which helps them swim through tall grasses and water. They are very good swimmers and will cross rivers, lakes and streams to find new hunting grounds. Red wolves are more aquatic than most wolves. They prefer to hunt near water. They will eat fish if it is available. Red wolves hunt wild pigs, white-tailed deer and other small animals. Occasionally, they will kill farm animals. This often gets them into trouble with farmers. Farmers kill red wolves to protect their animals. This has caused problems for red wolves in the past. Today they are protected, but this has not helped their population increase. Not many baby red wolves are being born. Experts believe this is because there are not enough adult red wolves. If there are fewer adult red wolves, there are fewer babies being born. This makes the situation worse. Today, most of the red wolves that are alive are in captivity. Conservationists hope that someday they can return the red wolves to their natural habitat. The grey wolf is a highly successful hunter and an apex predator. This means they sit at the top of the food chain. Grey wolves have been hunted for their fur, for sport, and also because they were seen as a threat to humans and livestock. In some countries, grey wolves are still killed today for these reasons. However, in other countries, grey wolves are protected. A group of grey wolves consists of several family groups living together. Family groups usually consist of parents and their offspring. Family groups often live close to each other and they hunt together. When hunting, they communicate with each other by making a special sound. The sound they make when hunting is called a warble. Warbles are made by both male and female grey wolves. They use this sound to tell each other where to go while they are hunting. This helps the wolves catch their prey. Sometimes more than one wolf makes a warbling sound. When this happens, the sounds get higher pitched and more intense. If there are more wolves joining in, the pitch goes higher and higher. The warbling sound is not only used during the hunt, but can also be used to tell other wolves what kind of prey they have caught. For example, if the prey is a deer, the warbling sounds will be slower and lower pitched than if they had caught something like a rabbit. Grey wolves are carnivores. This means they eat meat. They will eat just about any kind of animal that is smaller than them. Some examples of animals they eat are deer, moose, elk, bison, bears, and even other wolves. Grey wolves will sometimes eat fruit and plants, but meat makes up most of their diet. Grey wolves are one of the largest members of the dog family. They are usually around 60 to 80 pounds and measure 4 to 6 feet long. Grey wolves come in many colors. Some are white, black, grey, or brown. There are also red wolves and even golden wolves. These beautiful animals can live for 6 to 8 years in the wild. In captivity, they can live much longer, up to 20 years. We will be talking about some of them today. Some are smaller and some are larger. Some live in cold places and others live in warmer climates. Let's get started. Grey wolves are one of the most widespread and well-known species of wolf. The next type of wolf we will be talking about is the red wolf. The next type of wolf we will talk about is the Ethiopian wolf. The Ethiopian wolf lives in the Ethiopian highlands. It is found nowhere else in the world. The next wolf we will talk about is the Arctic wolf. All right, guys, that's all we have time for today. See you next time. Please subscribe to our channel